Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. To the things as you all know, we have started Lead Code 50 series where we are going to solve 50 SQL problems. So that will help you definitely to crack any SQL interviews and problem solving interviews or any tests that these will definitely help. So now we have already covered 44 videos. Now we are in the 45th video. This is very easy problem. So patients with a condition. So problem number is 1527. In lead code, we will find number of problems. So this is a unique value given to a particular problem. So patients table is there, which is having these columns: patient ID, patient name, and conditions. So patient ID is the primary key which has unique values in this table, and conditions is contains zero or more codes separated by spaces. Some codings are there, some codes are there for the patients. Contains zeros also will be there and separated by spaces is also will be there. This table contains information of the patients in a hospital. So some patient have some condition like that, fever or cough or some diabetes. Some codes are there for the conditions. Okay, so they are asking like write a solution to find out the patient ID, patient name, and conditions of the patients who have type 1 diabetes. Type 1 diabetes always starts with DIAB1 prefix. So if any condition starts with this, we have to get data of those patients. Okay. So this will be in a new order. Very simple regex you can use. So conditions which is having that particular DAB, you can just fetch those kind of things and just print out. So this is the data they have given in the patient's table. You can just check with the conditions, which is a DAB1 we kind of thing, David type 1 DAB1. So which is in this, and this Bob and George is having that condition. So these two patients' data we are fetching out and displaying. Okay, so that is that much simple. You can just do that in a simple way. Just let me start doing the writing the query for that. Let me have just a simple select. Sorry. Select. What are the things they're asking? Patient ID, name, and condition, right? My bad. Patient ID and patient name and patient conditions. Next, that much only. From patient's table. Yeah. What are the things we have to check? We have to check like conditions things, right? Conditions will be like we use like if you know wild characters, you can use that. So it is like DAB1, right? DAB1. If it like that previously, after, if anything is fine, in between this thing is there, this thing should be there. Okay, if it's like suffix, right, they're asking like prefix, they're asking prefix, this should be like this. Or any other case, if you see, this will start just like this will be in next thing also will be like this. So DAB, right? DAN I have given DAB. Okay. Another case it will be like, or conditions like this should come first is a prefix. Yes, fine, I'm just running this. At any place it should be like that. So it's accepted. So this is fine, I'm just submitting this. While characters like clause, if you know, if it will be easy to get that. So hope you have understood this problem. If you have any doubts regarding this, let me know in the comment section. No need of aliasing name because in the output table they have just want to like the same way. So that's all for this video. Hope you have understood this problem and let me know in the comments if you have any doubts regarding this. That's all for this. Thanks.